Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Hedera price prediction and Hedera news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Hedera in 2022. Built as the trust layer of the internet, Hedera Hashgraph is currently a public network that allows individuals and companies to build powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It is designed to be a fairer and more efficient system, able to remove some of the limitations faced by older blockchain platforms, such as slow performance and instability. It raised funding through an initial coin offering, ICO, in August 2018, and launched its mainnet open access for the first time just over a year later in September 2019. As part of the ICO, investors were able to purchase their own platform utility token, HBAR, at the lowest possible price. The HBAR token has a dual function on the Hedera public network. First, HBAR supports Hedera's services such as smart contracts, file storage, and recurring transactions. Secondly, it is used to secure the network, as HBAR users can stake their own tokens to maintain the integrity of the platform. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Hedera. MTech and Hedera Hashgraph join forces for highly performant, trusted and energy-efficient central bank blockchain infrastructure. An award-winning software company modernizing central banking infrastructure for financial inclusion and resilience, with blockchain-based platforms, and Hedera Hashgraph, provider of the most used, sustainable, enterprise-grade public network for the decentralized economy, announced today a partnership out of line of sight, and therefore could not be used for long-distance deliveries, transport, or inspections. With this trial, leveraging Hedera Consensus Service, we have made unmanned, long-distance drone travel possible using safety-critical aviation infrastructure. Each flight creates millions of data points, which no other public ledger has been fast enough to log and correctly order. By leveraging the Hedera Consensus Service we can gather, store, and order this data immediately, giving us a real-time radar system for drones. NERN sensors pick up data points on each drone's location and direction. From there, the Hedera Consensus Service provides a unique method of logging and timestamping the data from each drone flight onto Hedera's decentralized public ledger. The Hedera network operates at a higher speed and performance, with a lower cost per transaction than any other public distributed ledger technology, DLT, offering a scalable basis for drone flights to be adopted across industries. The Hedera network offers all applications the highest grade of security possible, ABFT, ensuring data protection for users. The trial was sponsored by the UK government's Department for Business, Energy and Industrial Strategy, BEIS, and took place as part of a series of experiments by BEIS to explore the use of drones. The trial by NERN successfully demonstrated safely tracking drone flights once out of sight, allowing the drones to fly longer distances safely and securely. Drones for the Drone trial are supplied by DJI, the world's largest drone manufacturer. NERN aims to deploy a solution for all drone use cases, transforming industries and supply chains in the UK and internationally. Applications for drone flights leveraging the Hedera-powered radar system in healthcare include remote medical testing, transportation of medical supplies to difficult locations, movement of equipment from hospital to hospital. DiEM evaluated various public ledgers and smart contract platforms to power this component of their application, but took issue with expensive transaction fees, low throughput, and poor performance with these options. As we expect to push thousands of transactions a day through a public ledger at scale, we needed a solution that could handle our needs both today and as we grow, continued Yadav. The Hedera Consensus Service was an obvious choice for our use case. The high velocity of user-generated and machine-generated events could not cost-effectively be recorded on other public ledgers or using smart contracts. DiEM adopting Hedera has increased customer trust, bolstered our value proposition, and improved acquisition and retention. A scalable, low-cost, and verifiable log of events on Hedera by using HCS and the Proof of Action implementation, DiEM is able to prove to customers with confidence a holistic view of any action taken on their data. DiEM now leverages HCS and Hedera's Proof of Action implementation to create a high-throughput, immutable, and verifiable log of events on the public Hedera network, akin to a decentralized messaging bus. At $0.0001 United States dollars per message, HCS enables DiEM to log and make verifiable every event related to data access and retention. This creates trust for customers that data persists only within their cloud environment SaaS applications and is not removed by their cloud provider SaaS applications or by DiEM. All actions taken by DiEM are logged and legitimate, including data observation, fixing risks, data classification, estimating financial value of data and more. Data security through the life cycle of data in an enterprise is now provable to risk and compliance grade of security possible, ABFT, with ultra-fast transaction speeds and low bandwidth consumption to provide high throughput, low fees and finality in seconds. MTech Sandbox platform will offer the Hedera Token Service, HTS, and the Hedera Consensus Services, HCS, for various innovators once launched. MTech was recently named Central Banking Journal 2021 FinTech and RegTech Finnovator of the Year for its modern central bank sandbox platform. About MTech is a fintech company that builds powerful and modern central banking solutions that address the demand of financial inclusion and financial market resilience. In addition to Hedera Hashgraph, recent MTech partners include Bank of Ghana, Central Bank of the Bahamas, and Whippy Caribbean. It's of 34 cents in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 30 cents, with a maximum price of 34 cents for 2022. Hbar rate forecast 2023. The value of Hedera will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. Hbar is expected to top out at 51 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Hedera's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Hbar will be between 42 cents and 43 cents, expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Hbar ranges from 42 cents to 51 cents for 2023. Hedera course forecast 2024. It appears that by 2024, Hedera, Hbar, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2024, we can expect the average rate to be 64 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Hedera's maximum price could be up to 75 cents in 2024. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Hedera exchange rate forecasts for 2025. Hbars have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Hedera, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $1.07. Hbar is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 92 cents, a minimum price of 90 cents, and a maximum price of $1.07. Hedera Hashgraph, Hbar, price prediction for 2026. According to Hedera Hashgraph's price target and technical analysis, in 2026, Hbar price is expected to cross the $2.13 average price level. Hedera Hashgraph's expected price low is $2.06 by the end of this year. Moreover, Hbar may reach a maximum price level of $2.58. Hedera Hashgraph price prediction 2027. Based on our in-depth technical analysis of past Hbar price data, the Hedera Hashgraph price is forecast to be around $2.95 in 2027. Hedera Hashgraph rate can peak at $3.58, with an average trading value of $3.04. Hedera Hashgraph, Hbar, price prediction for 2028. The Hedera Hashgraph rate in 2028 is forecast to hit a low of $4.39. Hedera Hashgraph could reach a maximum value of $5.11, with an average trading rate of $4.55 during 2028. Price forecasts for Hedera Hashgraph for 2029. According to the forecast and technical analysis, in 2029, the Hedera Hashgraph price is expected to hit a minimum price of $6.36. BTC exchange rate can reach a maximum exchange rate of $7.72, at an average cost of $6.54. Hedera Hashgraph, Hbar, price prediction for 2030. The Hedera Hashgraph is forecast to hit a low of $9.15 in 2030. Hedera Hashgraph rate could peak at $11.03, with an average trading rate of $9.41 during 2030.